Campinnovation isn't like your typical science camp or camp at all.
We really include a lot of hands-on science.
The Arizona Science Center is deeply committed to a lifelong interest in science, and that starts at a young age. Campinnovation is really an amazing opportunity to engage kids in hands-on, interactive, great learning environments.
They just find so much joy in all of the activities that we have here for them to interact with.
We're touching kids when they're younger, starting in like kindergarten and first grade and being like, hey look, science is cool and it's fun. It's something that everyone can do too, since we have such a wide variety of staff members.
And it kind of just keeps kids having that love for science and having that curiosity.
It's an important role for the Arizona Science Center to fulfill its mandate of being a great partner to STEM education. Science is in our lives every day.
You can really find science in anything, and the fact that we get to have our campers experience that really makes it enjoyable for the instructors, us, and the campers. Campinnovation is sure to spark curiosity and wonder in your scientists at home.